Hi guys, so I'm on my way through a tunnel, a bit darker in here. Just wait until I get out. I'm on my way to, just walking up to the new Gridserve site off of Junction 7 near Stevenage. There's been some significant work done over the last couple of months, so I'm going to take the drone up and I'm going to take a look around from the motorway. It did look like canopies are up. I think even Tesla chargers may be in, and some of the road stuff's in. So it's been a couple of months since I've done the last little video update, so I thought I'd take the drone up and get a proper look. After a bit of a trek and a bit of wrong direction, we're coming into the field clearing with enough space so I can take the drone off. I do have to be careful because there is an airfield close by, like a little mini one, so I'm going to go round that so I don't interfere with that. Let's go under these trees. There we go. Yeah, Gridserve is way over there, so we'll walk along a bit and just take a bit more of a practical approach to flying the drone. I've got a little seat so I can take it up, and I'll talk through as I'm flying. So there we go, Avata, DJI Avata. I'm just going to take it for a spin over Gridserve and see what we can see. Okay, so here we go. Going to fly, not using sport mode, just normal mode. Don't anything too quick for this. And we're just going to take a little look round. And obviously you see what I see. So as we're going round, just going to take a slow look. Obviously what you're seeing on screen is what I see in my goggles, which is really cool. So we're going to just take a little fly over the canopies first. So this is like the Braintree setup. So look, it looks like they've got some of the canopies there and a bit of the scaffolding ready to go. And look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Tesla superchargers down there. Let's have a little look. Right, so let's have a look at the little road entrance. So this comes in off the Junction 7, which you can see just round there on that roundabout. It goes round to Nebworth House and it splits out in there. Now I don't know how practical that's going to be. It does look like there might be another inlet over there, and I don't know whether that's just a service road. Down there looks like it's going to be somewhere where the big batteries are going to be. And obviously there's lots of space usually in these things, so there's a bit of parking even if you're not an EV owner. You know, there's like coffees and all that sort of stuff, so you can come in and just chill out for a bit and get to know an EV. There's obviously a lot of work still to be done, but there looks like some good work, like some groundwork that's going in. I don't know whether that's going to be a natural little pond they're going to put there, whether that's just because of it's been raining heavy at some point. So let's just hover for a little minute. Right, here we go. So right in front of you can see the canopies. 2 canopies either side, and they will have up to 350 kilowatt chargers on each side of those, and using solar panels and battery backup storage as well. So it's never going to take too much from the grid, and actually these are all then backed off by a close solar farm as well. So as green as possible. Gridserve usually make these sites. Nebworth House is just over there, and then like you come into this road, and then along here
and usually you kind of go round this, I would imagine you go round this road and in, and I'm not sure where the building is going to be. Usually I would imagine it's up the top here, if you can see at the other end of the canopies. That's usually where their you know, like the food and coffee and all that sort of stuff is, and you can like rent little business things as well. So that is quite a standard setup, like it is in Braintree, and it's a nice location. I just worry, if I'm honest, about when gigs are on, how busy or how easy this is going to be to access. So we're just going to have a little sneaky peek. Let's have a little right, we got to return to home, so we have got to change the battery. Unfortunately the Avatas don't last very long, so let's return to home, and maybe we'll pop in another battery. Right, we're returning to home now anyway, so that's good. And sometimes it can land okay. There I am, but we're just going to pop it down and then chuck another battery in, I think, and then we'll, alright, let's see if we can land it. There we go. We're going to land right on the mat. Perfect. Okay, let's pop another battery in and take one more look around. See if I can get in sport mode. Where's sport mode? There we go, sport mode. So it'll take a bit more battery, but we get over there a bit more quickly. Alright, let's go. It makes a lot more noise, unfortunately, but it gets us there quicker, and we can have another little look round. I'm by no means an expert drone guy, but I like the ability that I know where stuff is. Like it's all you know, like you can see where you're flying. You know, you've always got line of sight. So there we go. So this bit here, down here, that's going to be the main building, and then canopies either side, and obviously the access road in the back there. So we're just gonna, so from the other angle, I think it's either this bit over here at the top right hand side of the screen. That's possibly where the battery backup storage is going to be. Maybe some bits over the back there as you come in. It's not really clear, but judging by other sites, and you've got your Tesla superchargers down here on the left, building, 2 canopies. These are all solar panelled when they're finished, and then chargers each side of this, and it ranges from, I think from the other sites it was something like, I don't know, it's 100 up to like 350. So if you've got a normal car, you know, a normal EV or a super duper, like one that could take 350, you're covered. You've got Tesla chargers, and usually on the parking, wherever that's going to be, maybe along here as well, they usually have some banks of like 22 kilowatt chargers and some small like CHAdeMO and just type 2 type stuff. So if you're not really bothered about fully charging and stuff like that, then you can do that as well. Alright, so we're going to take one little fly over this, and then we'll head back. But I hope you enjoyed that little flight over Gridserve. We're not going to get too close because I don't want to, you know, annoy people. And you know, you need to. So that's where the airfield is. So there's nothing on the airfield today, which is really good. So I can just fly straight across it. But they have little gyrocopters and stuff like that. So we're just going to fly it back. But like I said, I hope you enjoy it. That's just a little update of Gridserve in Stevenage, off junction 7 of the A1M. I can't wait, and certainly for Hearts EVs, I think you know, we need something like this locally. So there we go. And yeah, bye bye. Let's land this puppy. There we go. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Bye.